Hi everyone, it's Anthony from JiraTalk here, and today we're going to kick off our tutorial series of different videos to help you work through using JiraTalk at your company or with your Jira instance. So with that being said, let's kick off the first one with how to get started with installing JiraTalk for ChatGPT. So the first thing to note is you must be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber to get access to GPT-4 here. And once you do, you'll have to enable the plugins. So we'll go over to our settings, and under the beta features in the submenu here, we're going to toggle on plugins. You can go ahead and close that. And then you'll see we now have plugins available where we can click on that. We can access the plugin store. From there, we're going to go ahead and type in JiraTalk, and we can click on install. And that's going to redirect you to your Jira instance where it's going to ask you to accept this connection between JiraTalk and Jira or Atlassian. So we can go ahead and click accept. And just like that, we are connected. One thing I like to do every time I reset up my connection is just making sure that I'm connected to the correct instance in Jira or even the correct profile, right? So I'll start off with the same prompt every single time of show me my info. And it's a quick little prompt that will go ahead, scan your instance of Jira, and bring back your information. And the first prompt is always going to be the longest one. But just like that, you can see we now have our first connection and our first prompt. So that's all there is to it to getting started with JiraTalk and getting it connected to ChatGPT. Definitely stay tuned for the other videos in our series to show you how to do things like creating a new project, setting up a sprint, or even creating, deleting, and updating issues.